Do you have a hard time creating effective sales emails to grab your customers' attention without spamming their inbox? Don't fret. We understand that writing good sales emails takes a lot of research, practice, and time. So, to help you with this, we have put together 5 effective sales email templates that you can use at different stages of customer journey. Before we get started, make sure that you subscribe to our channel to get notified on best practices and tips to excel at sales, marketing, and customer service.
While telephone and face-to-face meetings are the most effective ways to build relationship with people, both prospects and salespeople today seem to prefer email as the first touch. This is why cold emails are still important.
To ensure that your first email makes an impact, you need to clearly state the intent behind contacting the prospect. Keep the content customer focused and include a specific next step. Inbound leads are usually sourced from your website or landing pages. This means that the leads are aware of your business and has shown interest in your offering. So, when reaching out, take a consultative sales pitch and don't try to sell hard. Fortune is in follow-up. Did you know that 80% of sales require 5 follow-ups to make a customer say yes? Your follow-up emails should encourage customers to move forward and show why this is necessary. If you're using Vtiger, then you will be notified instantly when someone opens your email, prompting you to send a perfectly timed follow-up and close deals faster than ever.
You send a breakup email when your prospect has ignored your several follow-up attempts. A breakup email should close the loop, giving a clear indication of what a prospect can do in case of change of mind.
Close on a positive note. This might not bring any immediate benefits, but will leave a lasting impact. Referral emails persuade your customers to act in your company's favor. A successful referral email gets the customers excited about your brand and the experience they've had with you and makes them introduce you to their friends. We hope that these email writing tips and templates will help you get your customers' attention without annoying them.